to work, travailler. In the last few lessons, you learned how to say I work, je travaille, you work, tu travailles, he works, il travaille, does he work, travaille-t-il, she works, elle travaille, does she work, travaille-t-elle, we work, nous travaillons, and now we are going to learn how to say you work using the formal you, vous. You work, vous travaillez. You work, vous travaillez. Notice the easy ending, which always goes with vous in the present tense conjugation of regular ER verbs. Always easy with vous. Vous travaillez. Remember also we're not pronouncing the consonants at the end of these words here. So vous travaillez. Vous travaillez. You work, vous travaillez. Okay, so let's review the vocabulary you already know. To work, travailler. You work with vous, vous travaillez. Here, ici, today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, a lot, beaucoup, too much, trop. If you want to say you work, you say vous travaillez. You work here, a statement, vous travaillez ici. You work today, vous travaillez aujourd'hui. You work tomorrow, vous travaillez demain. You work a lot, vous travaillez beaucoup. You work too much, vous travaillez trop. Alright, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.